Hey, I'm Steve. Today we're here with Jim Balla. He's going to show you how to dismount your plow using the new QuickMountII for SnowDogg plows by Byers Products.
Turn the plow controller on and put the plow in float by holding the down button for 1 second. The dog head should illuminate blue when you are in float. Repeat holding the down button for 1 second to enter mount mode. The dog head will blink red when you are in mount mode. Press down on the chain lift to retract the lift cylinder. The chain must have slack for ease of plow removal. Remove safety pin. Pull up on the prop stand release lever and rotate to the down position. Adjust the lower portion of the foot if necessary to support the plow at the truck's height. Push the light tower towards the truck to take the weight off the mounting pins, and push the foot pedal towards the truck to retract the lock pin. Repeat on the opposite side. Stand behind the lift frame and pull up on the mount switch into dismount, the up position, until the lift frame tilts forward off the push bar. Release the mount switch into the lock, center position. Disconnect the light and hydraulic harnesses at the grill. Back away from the plow.
Thanks for learning a little bit more about the mounting features on your SnowDogg plow. For more information and to browse our full line of plows, spreaders, and pushers, and to find a dealer near you, visit byersproducts.com.